Hello Professor, my name is Tilak Bhai Suthar. I'll be presenting today Lab 2, Data Warehousing with SQL. Moving on, we have table of contents. So for the first, we have create table. So we're creating a table called student with SQL in JupyterLab and inserting the initial values into the table. So I'll show you the table here. And this is the first command, that is create table student. So we're inserting the initial values here. So ID is 1, name is first name is Sachin, then last name is Tendulkar, which is who is in grade 12, and then there's address, the phone number, and then he plays basketball, and which is his national level. So these are the initial values here. Then we're selecting that table, which is student, and we are selecting everything, which is star. We're selecting everything from that table, so the whole table is displayed here with all the values in it. Then we're inserting inserting a row in that table. So insert into student values, which is the 11 is the new ID, and then Freddie Roosevelt, who is in grade 10, with the address and phone number, and then he plays baseball at a national level. So we inserted a table value in the table, and then we are deleting from that table. So delete from student where the last name is Finch. So last name Finch here is deleted from the table. As you can see here, there's no number 9 where the Ian Finch was, and then we are updating the ID where the Ian Finch was. So Ian Finch had the ID of 9, so we're setting the ID 9 for the ID 10, which is James Bond. Now it's all good. This is in line from 1 to 10. We are doing like first name like dash, and then Ames, and then percentage, which shows the first name of the person. And then for the last name, I didn't know the name of the person, so it was like McDonald's or McDougal or whatever. So the last name is MC, and then person, so it's like McDougal. This is then we're selecting a certain column from the student. So this is the sports column, which is like have baseball, soccer, and ice hockey and everything in that table. Then we are adding a new column, which is called scholarship, and we're altering the table by alter table student. Then we're adding that column with a variable character of 20 size. So, and then the scholarship is now, we can see the scholarship column, and there's no values, so it says none. And we are updating the values for the scholarship where ID is 1, 2, and so on. Then we can see that some students have college scholarship, and then some doesn't have the scholarship. And then we are dropping that table. So as you can see, when we try to see that table, there's nothing in the SQL Lite for us. So now we're creating the table again for the data visualization, and then we're importing the library for visualization. So when we try to make the visualization, which is the figure has 18 by 7, and then the chart here is a level of students, so which level students are playing. Then we're counting those levels and then putting in the pie chart. So there's like half of the students are playing at state level, some of are playing at national level, and then very few are playing at junior level. So you can see from that. And then we are visualizing the sports count of the sports. So 2 students are playing baseball, then 3 people are playing basketball, and the ice hockey, which is famous in Canada, so there most of the people are playing that. And then soccer here, which is only in summers, I think. And then we are seeing that here's the grade and how many people from how many students from how many grade are playing sports. So from 10th grade we have 3 students, then from 11th grade we have 2 students, and then from 12th grade we have 5 students. So and then we order by descending. So from 12th we have 5, then 11th we have 2, and then 10th. So I ordered by grade for descending, and then I imported that into HTML file, which I included in the PPT. And that's it for now. Thank you.